Hey, welcome back to Fairbanks Evening News. Once again, Mike Schultz with you for a look at weather. We've had a lot of photographs from folks sending in different moose shots, and here's another one. This one from Rylene Ann. I'll call it another moose on the loose because the moose is there guarding her baby in the background there. Again, if you have a photograph to share, even if it's a moose shot, give it to me. Send to me, I should say, at Mike Schultz at KTBF11.com. Okay, here's what the numbers look like. 37 degrees for the high today. That's what the current temperature is. The low last night, 10 below. Record high, 48, 1949. 45 below in 1936. Sunrise, 7:38. Sunset will be at 6:29 this evening, giving us 10 hours, 51 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite picture, even more impressive than it was yesterday. As you can see, a lot of moisture moving up from the south, not quite making it across the Alaska Range, but also bringing a lot of warm air with it, as was evidenced by the temperatures today. That's going to continue because the area of low pressure is going to move off to the west, but still bring a lot of warm air up with it. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, again, warm air. Bethel, 43 degrees, 40 degrees around the Bethel area. Cold Bay, 42 degrees, 40 at Kodiak, and 44 degrees at Ketchikan, so a lot of warm air with that system. Just the opposite on the north slope, 8 degrees below zero. Barrow, looking for a blizzard to move in there tonight. We'll talk more about that later on. What's going on in the lower 48? Well, we'll move across and you see rain falling over the south central sections of California, right on down to the southern areas of California. Elsewhere, things are calming down quite a bit across the central plains. Still some lingering snow around the New York and New Jersey area. And this storm system will bring more snow to the Boston area tonight, while this next storm system continues to move slowly across Southern California. When it moves onto the plains, it's going to become another big weather feature with lots of powerful thunderstorms and more snow to talk about. And then we'll be talking about that probably into the weekend starting tomorrow. Tonight, this storm system is moving ashore in the Southern California areas with hail and heavy rain and heavy mountain snow. They need it for the drought situation down there, so it's kind of a blessing in disguise. And the overall jet stream, once again, will continue to drive cold air way down to the south, helping to fuel that storm system as it moves across the central plains over the weekend. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Blizzards at Barrow and also Nome for snowfall about 4 to 6 inches. Lots of sunshine, though, at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at very windy conditions continuing at Healy with plenty of sunshine at Fairbanks. Over the southeast part of the state, rain and snow have returned to Juneau, and Ketchikan will see cloudy skies. Over to the southwest, we'll be looking at snow at Bethel and Cold Bay, rain and snow for Kodiak Island. And south central sections, we'll be looking at a little bit of rain and snow in Anchorage and Homer, with 2 to 4 inches of snow expected in Valdez. Okay, once again, time for our kids' weather. And this week, we've been talking with the kids from Wood River Elementary School, but tonight, let's hear from the teacher.
Hello, I'm Mr. Cox, and this is my 4th grade class at Wood River Elementary School. And we have an interesting weather fact that we would like to share with you. Class, did you know that even though the sky on Earth is blue, on Mars it is pink, and it's yellow on Venus, and black on the moon?
And next week, even though it's spring break, we're going to hear from the kids from Northern Lights Academy. All right, it is a Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions. You can see here, icy patches and snow-packed roads on the Stetson Elliott Highway, Richardson Highway, gusty winds, black ice, very slick conditions, and the Parks Highway reporting some drifting snow here and there with frosted pavement. Again, thanks to Jose Body and Paint and the Department of Transportation for the state of Alaska. Our forecast for tonight, 12 degrees above zero for the overnight low. Continued cloudy skies. Tomorrow, again, another mild temperature day, 35 degrees, lots of sunshine. And the temperatures will start cooling over the weekend. Even a chance of a little snow possibly Sunday night into Monday, but very little snow expected. Temperatures still continuing very warm, though. As you can see here, we're looking at daytime highs in the 20s and overnight lows in the single digits above zero. Still great weather for the ice park this weekend.